Ole'Pops here. Coming to you today to remind y'all that I've got the 15 for 15 Songbird GAW still a-running. It's gonna run until the last day of January. You still got time to get in. All you gotta do is enter. Remember, all you gotta do is enter. You gotta be of legal smoking age where you live. You gotta be subbed. And if you'll go back and look at the original video, list the people in the pictures. That's all you gotta do. It's pretty fun. Just list the people in the pictures. You ought to know who they are. If you don't know who they are, find out who they are. Easy as pie. Hey, also, there's a new guy out there. His name's SIpipe. He's got a GAW running too. I'm going to put his link down in the bucket. Y'all go enter his GAW too. Sub him and enter his GAW. But listen, my GAW is going to run to the end of the month, and then we're going to draw on February 3rd, Groundhog's Day. Don't wait. Get in now. You can enter up to 3 times, but you can only guess once. It'll all be explained to you. Go watch the video. I'm Ole'Pops.